I mean by the... Whoa! It's a wild ride, you've got too much up in.
Scolded cat, is it?
God. Let's reduce the rates down a bit.
CG a bit too far back? I think it's sort of small enough to
That was a bit of a wild ride, that was. Jesus Christ, John.
Every kid. Enter?
Yeah.
That's bear, big free roll.
Still not exactly comfortable with it.
You pay 50 quid for a sound card, mate.
Yeah. Look at that.
You don't need it.
Authentic V8 Merlin that is, or V12 I should say.
It might be the Meteor engine in there. Only 8 cylinders.
Or let's wait, it's got 12 but only 8 are firing.
Probably motor's probably loose. You did the screws up on the motor, didn't you, Doug?
Sorry?
You did the bolts up on the motor, alright?
Oh, it looked alright to me.
It's not a restful plane to fly though. That sounds quite nice, that.
Yeah, that throttle setting is alright.
What's that? Half throttle?
I know, you better look. I'm not taking my eyes off this thing.
Not quite half. Around about half throttle, that is.
Yeah, we know that Stu's ran quite happily at half throttle.
That's the water injection kicking in.
Yeah, yeah. Turbo. It's the supercharger.
Yeah.
Supercharger it'd be, wouldn't it, on one of these, I think.
You know when you throttle that, don't you? Gives you an auto warning.
Right, I'm going to bring it in for a landing.
Anything left in the battery?
Probably, I'll check.
Take it up and let's have a go.
No!
What do we know?
Well, you can if you like, but it's still awfully twitchy, Doug.
I think you'll be over with the wall.
Do you have a go?
Go on, Doug.
It's on low rates at the moment. You happy with that? Full throttle, you got it. I'm not going to be responsible for anything that happens now.
Where's it going? Ooh.
He's in that field over there. There he is over there.
Well, that didn't last very long, Doug, did it, that flight of yours? I did say I wouldn't be responsible for anything that happens.
Yeah, it did go in.
I told you it was twitchy.